This is the map of our PEJETA and where you can find the animals. As you go in, there's a little museum where you can see the skeletons of different animals. We got baboons, zebras, warthogs, lioness, and big one for the elephant. That's a hippopotamus one. And we have some skin here for the leopard, the horns for antelopes, warthogs. And then we have a zebra down, sorry, a giraffe down here. It is long neck. And when you go here, you can see different types of monkeys and baboons. As the ostrich skin. Here we have a half skull of an elephant. And we have more skulls down here. And we have the buffalo. This is a male buffalo. You can see the horns. This is what they call the boss. Here you can see some pictures of the jackals and hyenas. And this is a male lion. As you can see, its skull is got a quiff down here. We come and see a leopard down here. Small pictures of antelope and rhinoceros. And when you come in here, you find more of some of the skulls. The skulls for rhinoceros. Yeah, different types. And you have the picture here. You have the Morani. You have Balaka, which we just seen a little bit earlier. Max, Lola, and Nabu, Lingo, Sudan, Fatu, and Najin. And you can see the different types of the mouth. This one is a black lino with like a picked mouth, while the white lino is got a square mouth. And this is all different types of rhinos we had in 1970. You can see how much we had. 1980s, they started reducing. They were even only in Kenya they can be found. 1990, well, they are all scattered around. 2000, you can really count them. 2010. And they are all there. And you can see what happened when the poachers remove their horns in the front, which is really sad to lose these beautiful animals. And this picture is in memory of Molani, which died in August 2008. Heading out where it says Karibu Tena, that means welcome back again. And that's the place we left out there. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.